The transportation around the world has been used in so many ways, but the most important one is the maritime. Many countries around the world have been used in ships their goods in a safer and a faster route, which that's why the Panama Canal was built. I've been raised and born in Panama. I have to learn about the history of the Panama Canal. I have used all this information to help my children with the social and science fair to get information about the Panama Canal. According to the PanCanal.com, the Panama Canal is a safer, faster route to use, which allows the transport goods from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean. In the Gilliard Cut, it helps the ships get across and with a stability and faster route for transporting their goods. That's why I'm here today to inform you how the Panama Canal is a safer route to navigate, a faster route to use, and how the locks help the ships get across from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean. Now, many people wonder how the Panama Canal was safe. Well, back in the late 1800s, before the Panama Canal was built, they were using the Cape Horn, which is the very south of South America, where it was dangerous. The climate was very dangerous. Close to the Antarctic was creating a wave up to 60 feet high, and the high one was making possible for the boats to just get across their journey and get across to the Pacific Ocean. Compared to the Panama Canal, where the climate is predictable with the landmark and with the S shape, it's easier to get across from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean. Yes, indeed, the Panama Canal is safer route, but it's faster too. Cape Horn, it was about 13,000 miles compared to Panama with 5,200 miles. But the Cape Horn, it takes about 60 days to get across from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean without no problems. Now, Panama Canal, it takes about 48 miles to get across within 8 hours. If you visit the Panama Canal, you can enjoy the ride. Now, back in 1900, the United States Corporate Engineer started the transformation of the beginning of the construction of the Panama Canal. It took a lot of human labor. It took a lot of human labor to get this engineer, this magnificent engineer, what it is today. It took about 238 million cubic feet of rocks to remove to create this canal. You can see where we have to do the donations, and you can see where the ships get across now. But yes, indeed, we have over here a ship coming across the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean. We have over here the saddle locks. Now, the Gilliard Cut. How the Gilliard Cut works? Well, we have three saddle locks. The first saddle lock is called Pedro Miguel. Now, the Lago Gatun is the second lock. And the third lock is Miraflores. Well, they have a lowest the sea level that goes to 82 feet. And they raise up their altitude up to 330 feet high above the sea level, where you can see the pictures where the ships get up to the height they needed to get across from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean. Now, the transit makes it smooth, and the stability makes a smooth, easy transition to get across. Well, that's how Panama unite all the countries around the world using the Panama Canal. Over 100 years connecting the world, the Panama Canal. Thank you so much.